Welcome to Department of Chemistry, St. Paul's College, Kalamassery. Department of Chemistry, St. Paul's College, Kalamassery offers Master Degree in Chemistry program under Mahatma Gandhi University, PGCSS Regulation 2019. MSc Chemistry is a 4-semester course and is offered in accordance to UGC norms. The evaluation program is done by university examination through internal and external evaluation processes. Students should have a minimum of 75% attendance in order to register for the university examination. After completing this course, students may get opportunities in areas such as petrochemical companies, colleges, universities, research organizations, perfume industries, agrochemical companies, plastic and polymer companies, pharmaceutical companies, and higher studies. These professionals may work in major positions like chemist, scientist, quality assurance officer, chemistry content writer, etc. The main program outcome includes the students after completing this course would have forfeited their ability in the field of chemical analysis by their exposure to sophisticated analytical instruments. The advanced and updated syllabus of this course will equip the students to face employment challenges and instill confidence to turn into entrepreneur. The curriculum of this course stimulates the students enough interest to step into research career. Fourth one, to create an awareness of the impact of chemistry on the environment, society, and development outside the scientific community. Program specific outcome includes first one, to gain complete knowledge about all fundamental aspects of all elements of chemistry, to understand the background of organic reaction mechanisms, complex chemical structures, instrumental method of chemical analysis, molecular rearrangements, etc. Third one, to appreciate the importance of various elements present in the periodic table, coordination chemistry and structure of molecules, properties of compounds, structural determination of complexes using theories and instruments. Fourth one, to gather the attention about the physical aspects of atomic structure, dual behavior, various energy transformations, molecular assembly in nano levels, significance of electrochemistry, molecular segregation using their symmetry, etc. Fifth one, to carry out experience in an area of analysis, estimation, separation, derivative processes, inorganic semi-micro analysis, etc. Sixth one, to develop research-oriented skill. The syllabus of this program includes total 4 semesters. Semester 1, 7 courses. First one, organometallics and nuclear chemistry. Second one, structural and molecular organic chemistry. Third one, quantum chemistry and group theory. Fourth one, thermodynamic kinetic theory and statistical thermodynamics. And 3 practicals, inorganic, organic and physical. And semester 2, total 7 courses. First one, coordination chemistry. Second one, organic reaction mechanism. Third one, chemical bonding and computational chemistry. Fourth one, molecular spectroscopy. And 3 practicals, inorganic, organic and physical. And semester 3, total 7 courses. First one, structural inorganic chemistry. Second one, organic synthesis. Third one, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry and crystallography. Fourth one, spectroscopic methods in chemistry. And 3 practicals includes inorganic, organic and physical. Semester 4 includes advanced inorganic chemistry, advanced organic chemistry, advanced physical chemistry project. 3 practicals includes inorganic, organic and physical and viva. Thank you.